Hey, we got a nice little racing street car. Guy asked for about 500. I gave him 545. Phenomenal torque right off, over 500 right off idle. Made about 525 foot-pounds of torque. All beautiful pieces, full forged rotating assembly, AFR heads, Holley intake, Edelbrock intake, Victor Jr. Run the 750 on here, MSD Pro billet. Badass little piece. This guy's gonna be able to beat this thing up, come back and race tomorrow. Hey, anything I can help you with? Give me a call, 1-800-267-3940. What do I always say? The proof's in the performance. Check out all our videos. We build some badass engines here. Enjoy. How's that for firing up? Oil pressure, beautiful. We got that mechanical roller in it. The AFRs are perfect. Man, let's make a few ponies with this little supposedly 500 horsepower motor. This thing, man. Enjoy it.